So what's good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Moody.
It's your girl Naveen.
And look, you already saw from the very last video I posted that your boy hit these on the sneakers app.
Yeah.
And I also hit something else that I don't think I put on YouTube yet. So we gonna unbox these today. They both came in at the same time, so I'm gonna let you go ahead and go first, cause y'all already know what these are. We just gonna get my first impression and see what they looking and talking about.
So my baby hit on these for me, but
we gonna see. Is that a Jordan? Does that look like a Jordan 1 box?
It is a Jordan 1 box.
Okay.
And it comes with the
What could it be? Yeah, so that's the box. Let's see these bad boys in person.
He want me to like them so bad.
They come with white laces?
My Pollens come with white laces. He wants me to like them so bad, y'all.
Oh my gosh, the leather on these is butter.
Yeah,
These
it's
are
a nice leather, but he wants me to like them so bad, y'all.
Okay, look, this is my dilemma, right? So you got Jordan 1 lows, but there's two different types. You got OG versions, which have the Nike Air on the tongue. I'll do some B-roll so you can see it. There's the Nike Air on the tongue, and then you got the Jumpman versions, which has the ugly big tag on the tongue that has the Jumpman. I think those quality-wise suck, and colorways kind of are boo-boo too. But I feel like with this, it's like, this is the closest thing you're gonna get to a shattered backboard without having to pay resale or trade something.
I would get the electric oranges before I get a shadow back. Like
Before you wear these?
Before I wear these, yes.
The electric oranges.
I would wear those before I would wear these.
Sheesh.
I would pay resale for SBB's 3.0s before I wear these.
Sheesh. Y'all heard it here first.
So he want me to like them so bad, y'all, and I just don't. As soon as he hit, he was like, "For you, boo," and I'm like, "No, for resale, not for me. I don't want them."
I wanted these for I would have wore these bad boys. I would have laced them up nice, had the tongue looking all good. You feel me? They would have looked like dunks on my feet. I'd be like, "Are those dunks?" Nope, these are Jordan 1 lows, baby.
Yeah,
but
not my vibe, not my style, not really feeling it.
Well, all right. Well, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of B-roll, but we gonna go ahead and
move forward.
Put these bad boys away.
Lay them to rest.
They still smell like.
They smell good.
They still smell good, but yeah. So we got those. Gonna put those to the side. We got a little bit of insight for you, so you want to stick around to the end of the video. Make sure you hit that like button. Y'all already know what these are right now. I just want to see what these, because we have yet to get a men's pair. You already know, just still a tape, nothing new. Y'all see FedEx been going crazy with the theft. But they didn't steal mine, at least not this time. You feel me?
They was still in off-whites, and let's be for real.
But yeah, we don't need that box no more. And then finally, look like, I think I did this, because I dropped them on the way in here. There's a dent on the corner, but size 11.5 in the lightnings and the foes.
I'm still kind of indifferent about them. I like them.
For sure.
But I don't know.
Y'all see it. I was hoping to hit, like I said in the last video, I was hoping to hit on 50 of these. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. They were hard, because usually 4s are super GR. Super. And like, yes, if you go into the store, you could probably find like a grade school, like a 5, maybe, you could definitely find preschool and toddler, but as far as like men's, and then a lot of stores didn't get their shipment of grade school. Yeah. So it just wasn't, I don't know, the release wasn't hitting like 4s usually hit. That's number 1. So we definitely lucked up copping this pair.
It feels like a suede, I don't know, like, because
like
men's pairs men's pairs be a little bit different than the grade school.
I don't know.
But I feel like this,
different.
Because I already know. I went to Central. Anybody know?
But this is gray, babe.
I know, but
is the Thunder's black and yellow?
Yes.
Yes, that's what I was feeling like.
If I got
like Thunders Thunders would definitely give what it was supposed to give. Don't get me wrong. The gray is a nice gray, but I don't know.
Yeah, because I understand the height. It's like I don't know if it's one of the shoes where it's like, all right, this is going straight to the toe, or if I'm gonna hold off on them. But I mean, they're pretty nice at hand. Yeah. But from the title of this video, I'm gonna tell y'all about these. these shoes because, okay, so y'all know I hit on sneakers, right, for these?
Yes.
So we got these here. But if you don't know, there's a lot of late shipments going around. So if you haven't been able to hit in stores and stuff like that, I would start calling. I would start calling on the end of the weekends.
Mondays.
You know what? Just call every day. Call the stores every day to see what they're doing about these raffles. In our locations, they were doing raffles on the Pollens. And
which is so weird because...
Oh, yeah, tell them.
So, Darius was off and he went to our different JDs and stuff and entered for the Lightnings because we knew places was getting late shipment of Lightnings. Like we said, a lot of places ain't get their grade school. Yeah. So Darius enters for both of us. And on, what was it? Monday, I get a call.
Monday, yeah.
Monday, I get a call. Like, we're like, hello?
Because she didn't get her size of these, right?
I haven't hit on my size in the Lightnings, so we're thinking they're calling for the Lightning. So I'm like, hello? They're like, hi, yeah, you hit on the 7Y. I'm like, 7Y, let's go. Like,
he's like, let's go. And then she was like,
and it's
the
just
Pollens.
Like, the Pollens. And I'm like, you mean the Lightnings? And she was like, no, we haven't got our shipment in for those. You hit on the Pollens. So me and Darius are like, when did we enter a raffle for Pollens?
Pollens.
Right? So I'm like, when did we enter the raffle? Mind you, I hit the Pollens on a 6.5, so I was just going to size swap. But I'm glad I got my size. But anyways, so I'm like, when did we enter a raffle? So we think that when we entered the raffle for the Lightnings, they just used the Lightnings for the Pollens. And then we ended up going to JD yesterday and we ended up entering a raffle for the Pollens and the Dunks because our JD was still doing them. They just got their shipment and we both hit on a grade school pair for the Pollens again.
Yeah.
So
she went and picked a second pair. So this is a 6.5. She hit on this on release day on Snipes. And if you don't know, Snipes, if you can hit on there, it's no tax, no shipping. It's the best.
130 flat. And this
130 flat.
This is my second time hitting on Snipes.
Hey,
I hit on my
Snipes be blasting, but she hit on the size 7. She picked this up today. At one mall, another mall called me earlier and was just like, yeah, you hit on, well, you basically, I hit, but not for they didn't have any more sizes in the 7 because I always put her size. So they was like, do you want a 6.5? I'm like, yeah, I need them points. Yeah. So I was just like, yeah, so I'm gonna pick up a size 6.5 tomorrow.
And I'm gonna pick up another 7 because I hit on a 7 again. So we have 2 7s and 2 6.5s.
Yeah, so we got those. And then while we was there, we was like, you know what? Let's try our luck at Foot Locker, Foot Action. See if they got any late shipments of the fours. And then we go in there, we're looking around, we're like, all right, we don't see nothing at first. And then she was just like, oh, they got the Lightning fours in the in like a smaller size, like preschool, and then in toddlers. And then we was like, what's the biggest size that you got? She's like, a 6.
No, we looked over and we seen them in the grade school, but the size in it was a 4.5. It was a
4.5. I was like, what's the biggest size you got? Size 6? I'm like, let me get that. So we got a size 6. So I'm like, if y'all can, visit the malls if you can. Call around, see what they're doing about these late shipments or any grade school. Because I feel like grade school pairs, they might just, let them go. Whenever they get them. So like if you wear grade school, it might be a good chance for you to be able to get these in hand in store. But outside of that, men's pairs, they might put them back on the app, on the Flex app. I've never hit, but I'm building them points. That's why I picked these up.
Yeah.
So
but it's definitely like a dub at JD and Finish Line. You definitely have to enter a raffle. They always do raffles, especially with late shipments. That's how we were able to hit on the shadows. So, but if
Shadow 2.0s.
Yeah, if you have like a Foot Locker, Foot Action, or a Champs, they'll probably just put them out as they get them. So
yeah, so y'all be on the lookout. Y'all gotta put the footwork in.
Yeah.
You feel me? I understand it may be hard, but you feel me? At least put in some type of effort. Call around if you can. Because, sometimes you might just luck up and then come up like we did. But what else? We also went to Shoe Palace that day. They're doing raffles. There's some there's a lot of dunks dropping it this week. At the time of this recording, the Gray Fog dunk lows, basically the Photon dunks, but in men's dropped today, and only Finish Line and JD. I feel like sneakers might be a little bit later. but they dropped. It was like a couple Georgetown lows or whatever. I don't know what they're calling them, but
yeah,
they basically navy blue and gray.
Yeah, which are super cute.
And they have a high top version. Shoe Palace was doing raffles on them, so hopefully
we hit.
Yeah, because they might mess around, do some calls tonight after they close or something. So we gonna keep our phones on loud, and we gonna basically keep our Apple Watches on and make sure that when they call, we know, and we answering that phone, because we try to pick up all the pairs that we can. So, and
we definitely pick up our phone. We don't care where we at.
Yeah, so like I said, if you want to hit on these, there's a bunch of late shipments. If you're watching this and you paid resale, still try.
Yeah.
Because you may not be a reseller, but you can at least resell and make a little something back that you paid extra on.
And if you got a 7Y, hit us up too.
We still looking for a 7. They gonna call us for one.
We gonna call and hit on them, but
they gonna call us. They gonna call us 2 weeks from now and be like, oh yeah, we got the lightnings in. Yeah. Well, finally, thank you. When can I come get them? So.
Yeah. If not, definitely Trade Block is gonna be my friend, because we got enough Pollens to make something shake with them.
Hey, for sure.
And I got enough dunks in the collection to make something shake with them too. So.
But yeah, with Trade Block, it's like if you don't hit on this shoe, I don't know. I'm gonna try to say it in every single video every type of video I do with these. Like, look, if you're struggling to hit in store online and you really want these shoes, feel like
in-store raffles. In-store
raffles is the move. Online is not the wave no more.
No.
These companies aren't updating their websites. They're not putting in the time and effort in order to do bot protection outside of Nike. And if they do, it ends up hurting the regular end user.
Yeah.
So it's like a double-edged sword. It's like, all right, bot protection, but it's also keeping regular people from buying too. And then bots still end up buying it. So it is what it is. So nowadays, hey, JD Sports and Finish Line is gonna be your best friend close by if you just start calling them, pulling up to the mall every day. Sometimes you do have to go to the store, because these stores will sit there and lie in your face. I've had it happen to me, unfortunately. I was just like, hey, are you getting these dunks today? They dropped today. It's like, oh no, we're gonna get them later. You know, we might do a raffle or whatever whenever we get them.
Call the next day.
Oh, we sold them yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, really? So so they'll definitely lie. So sometimes if you feel like they blowing smoke, pull up on them.
That's it.
You know what I'm saying? And then ask them, but even then they'll still probably lie. So you just gotta hope that you got some good employees that's not really trying to backdoor and you know, trying to help you out and look out and stuff. But outside of that, hold your money.
That's it.
And just be patient. They're just shoes. Where are you going? It's probably raining outside. You probably need to put on some flip-flops or something. Like, where are you going? You'll be okay. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not the end of the world.
Nope.
I know you got more than one pair of shoes in your collection if you're watching this video.
Yeah.
Go wear them other shoes that's sitting in your closet.
Definitely. Wear your shoes.
Okay? So that's what I'm saying. Be patient. You feel me? It's not the end of the world. So that's the end of the video. Hopefully you learned something from this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I will answer that to my best ability. And then, yeah, y'all stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully it's a pickup vlog of us going to the mall and getting some of these dunks. Lightning 4s, dunks. Hopefully tomorrow, get some dunks. And they did men's sizes for the Pollens too. So hopefully I can get some Pollens in the men's sizes as well. But that's the end of the video. We gonna check out, get this video edited for y'all, get some B-roll shots. And then, yeah, we gonna check out and see y'all in the next video. So y'all subscribe, like, hit that like button and the notification bell. So whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to know.
Period.
So y'all stay tuned. We gonna get out of here.
Peace.
Peace.